Sorry. Please be seated. I'm sorry. Truly, we are honored by your presence to bear witness to this momentous occasion. Let us now listen to the address of petition to be delivered by Rigor Pascual, candidate for Bachelor of Laws 2008, class valedictorian.
Reverend Father Jose Maria P. Tinoco, OP, Member, Board of Trustees, University of Santo Tomas. Assistant Professor Roberto A. Abad, Officer in Charge, Faculty of Civil Law. Reverend Father Maximo Catella, OP, Regent, Faculty of Civil Law. Judge Ricardo Mactibay, Faculty Secretary, Faculty of Civil Law. Dean Emeritus, Dean Amado L. Di Mayuga, Dean Jaime Nantin, Dean Augusto Aligado Jr., Judge Oscar Herrera, our dear professors, parents, friends, and the Civil Law graduates, batch 2008, good afternoon. It has been quite a journey. These past 4 years definitely had its ups and downs. We all endured recitations which shook us to our very core, exams that made our minds bleed, revalidas which tested not only our intellect, but also our character, sleepless nights, and yes, even besmirched reputations. We also established relationships with others, which helped us grow not only as a student of law, but also as human beings. Looking back at this point, with all our battle scars and victories, we can only smile and say, it is all worth it. This day is the start of a new chapter in our lives. It is time to start fulfilling our destiny. Everyone is destined to be great, to be extraordinary. But it is our decision whether or not we want to be great. Destiny alone will not make each and every one of us successful. It will need a little push from us. Once we have done our part, it is inevitable. We will succeed in every venture that we put our mind into. Even though the future is uncertain, we should not lose sight of what we want. Uncertainty as to our abilities is not our greatest fear, but in the words of Marianne Williamson, our greatest fear is not that we are not inadequate, but that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that frightens us. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, handsome, talented, and fabulous? Actually, who are we not to be? You are a child of God. Your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We are born to make manifest the glory of God within us. It is not just in some, it is in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our fear, our presence automatically liberates others. We should not limit ourselves with mediocrity when we know that we can be better. We should not be satisfied with good when we can be good. This university had equipped us with knowledge and values necessary to succeed not only in law, but also in life. It is up to us whether or not we whether we are up to the challenge of being great, of being extraordinary. It is time for us to get out of our shells and fulfill God's purpose to be true Thomasian lawyers. In taking our own path in life, whichever we eventually decide to take, we should always believe. Believe in God's love, believe in ourselves, in our abilities and in our character. Believe that we can do it. Believe in relationships that we form through the years. Believe in the good of people. Only then can we really be great. As we take this first step to another battle, we should never forget the people who have been with us through the ups and downs. These are persons who made us who we are, the reason why we're here. To our parents, professors, mentors, classmates, and friends, no word of gratitude could ever express entirely how grateful we are. And we will never forget everything that each and every one of you has taught us. We are eternally grateful. To this university, we will make you proud. I am honored to be representing the graduating batch of 2008. And I would not be here without the encouragement and support of my family, especially my mom, and my sister Kay, Crystal, my friends and classmates, especially Lovely, Liz, Karen, Weng, Jo, Leslie, Lon, Felice, and others who tolerated my idiosyncrasies for the past 4 years. To the university and its professors, for the values you have instilled upon me and others. To my Father, this one's for you. And last but not the least, to the Almighty, to whom everything is possible. In behalf of the graduating batch, with all humility, I would like to request the University of San Tomas to bestow upon us the degree of Bachelor of Laws, the first step in realizing our destiny. Thank you and good day.
We now request Reverend Father Jose Maria Tinoco, Order of Preachers, member UST Board of Trustees, to give the response.